they can monitor the performance of their business. Online, members or distributors, pwede po silang bumili ng produkto. Online, they can monitor sino po ba ang pumapasok sa organization nila on the left and on the right side. Mamamonitor din po nila kung ilan na po ang kanilang car plan point sa left at car plan point sa right. And online, members can monitor who are the people registering in their organization. They can do this on a daily basis, meaning kahit po ako ay nasa bahay lang, I can monitor ilan po ba ang nagre-register sa akin ngayong araw. Ilan ba ang nag-register since last week, since last month, etc. etc. Because pwede pong i-filter yan ng ating mga distributors. Online, distributors can also monitor how much they are earning. They can check their account balance, and pag nakita nilang meron pang available balance sa kanilang komisyon, they can easily click request disbursement and immediately transfer their commissions to their bank account, request for a league wallet, or request for a commission check. So, ganyan pong ka-convenient ang system ng kumpanya. In fact, kahit wala kang computer sa bahay, you can just go to any internet cafe and monitor the performance of your business or disburse your commissions anytime, any day. Using the online system of the company, you can also monitor how much is the performance of every members in your team. Meaning dito po malalaman nyo how much you're earning from the purchases of people in your organization. Very transparent yung kumpanya na hindi mo nakakailanganin pang pumunta sa opisina para i-request ang summary report ng lahat ng purchases ng grupo mo. Very powerful talaga ang online system ng Sante. And I do believe that this will really be our edge when it comes to opening an international business. Number 2, let me discuss to you the SMS business system of Sante International. Using the SMS business system of Sante International, you can do your business with us using your cell phones. In fact, you can register new distributors using your cell phone. In our SMS business system, we have what we call as the bonus auto notification, meaning pag kami po ay nag-compute ng commission. For example, our infinity bonus is being computed every day. Our cutoff time is 12 midnight. By 1 o'clock, the system will compute your commission, and between 1 to 1:30, lahat po ng nakatanggap ng commission will immediately be informed via text message how much they earn sa ating system. Ang suggestion ko lang po, once na na-text po kayo ng ating sistema, wag po kayong magre-reply ng K, thanks, who you? Kasi po ang dami namin experience at natutuwa po kami because distributors are very excited with our SMS business system. In fact, given the right parameter, pwede po kayong mag-reply ng text sa kumpanya para po yung commission nyo ay maipasok na directly sa bank account nyo, magawa namin kayo ng cheque, or mabigyan namin kayo ng league wallet. And you can do this right at the comfort of your homes. We're just one text away. And of course, you can do many other things with your SMS business system. You can do bonus update, league wallet inquiry, product reordering, customer service, and many more. Last but not the least, ladies and gentlemen, let me discuss to you our airload system. With the airload system, you have access as a distributor to more than 250 types of load. We consider this as a value-added service, pero nakakatuwa po rito, kung ikaw po ay prepaid cellphone user, you don't need to buy sa mga tindahan because using the airload system, you can convert your commissions into a league wallet and use league wallet to transfer a cellphone load to your cellphone account. In fact, pasahan mo ng sarili mo ng 30 pesos na load, kumita ka pa ng mga around 3 pesos. Not bad. But let's face it, yung iba, ginagawa rin to as a business opportunity. Ginagamit nila ang kanilang komisyon para ipangbenta as cellphone loads. You can sell a load using our online system, meaning you can log onto your account, choose a load, send it to a mobile number, pay using league wallet, and that's it. You can also sell a load using your cell phone. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the power of Sante International. Now, let me present to you what to do next in Sante International. I do believe na marami po sa atin ang excited ng malaman. Ano ba ang kailangan kong gawin in order to start this wonderful opportunity with a great product, a great system, a great company, great compensation plan? The first thing that you need to do, of course, is purchase the Pure Barley Pack. Purchase the Pure Barley Pack at 3,988. You are considered as a distributor, makakatipid ka na sa produkto, makakasimula ka na ng negosyo mo. Number 2, never talk to anyone unless you are trained. The next thing that you need to do is simply write your name list. Just list down names of people na gusto mong matulungan sa negosyong to. And remember, in writing down names, never prejudge anyone. Kunin mo lang ang cellphone mo, basahin mo yung mga pangalan ng mga kaibigan mo, isulat mo lang yan, and that's it. You don't even have to call them yet. Please, don't call anyone yet unless you are trained. You might say the wrong thing to the right person. And remember, you're only given one chance. And what you need to do after writing down your name list is attend our new distributors training every Saturday, 3 p.m. in our branch in Show Boulevard or in any other new distributors training being conducted nationwide. Never talk to anyone yet. Attend our new distributors training. Tuturuan namin kayo kung anong gagawin nyo sa inyong name list. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Sante International. It's as simple as buying the Pure Barley Pack, making your name list, and attending the new distributors training. And to end, ladies and gentlemen, let me just present to you, why are we doing Sante International? Why are we here? Why are we so passionate to really touch the lives of many people? Marami pong Filipino company ang nangangarap na maging international. And yes, Sante is one of them. Pero what differentiates Sante from other companies is that we're in the process of really tapping the international market. And when I say tapping the international market, it's not only going to Hong Kong, going to Japan, and just talk to Filipinos and encourage them to do the business. What we will be doing is we will be going around the world. We will be talking to Filipinos. We will start with them, but we will encourage them to tap the local market. And it's happening right now. In fact, after only 2 months in the business, meron na pong kumuha ng exclusive distributorship sa Japan. And we're of course talking about Filipinos who are starting the business in Japan, pero ngayon po sa Japan, ang mga clients po nila are Japanese. And we are excited with that because as a Filipino company, having a product, having a business opportunity for Filipinos to have an opportunity to tap the international market is something. Naniniwala po ako na darating ang panahon, ang isang Filipino company na katulad ng Sante International can really tap not only Filipinos but Malaysians, Indonesian, Japanese, even Americans. Yan po ang vision namin sa Sante International and it's happening right now. And I do believe that the next generation of network marketers, ipapanganak po yan ng Sante International. At dito po natin makikita that network marketing is really a wonderful opportunity that can give ordinary people an extraordinary income. Dito po matutupad po lahat ng pangarap natin. Kasama na po dyan yung tinatawag nating financial freedom. Napakasarap po ng buhay na balang araw, hindi nyo na pinoproblema ang pera. Na pag may nangutang, may pampautang. Pag may nagkasakit, may pampagamot. Pag may gusto tayong bilhin, kaya nating bilhin. At higit sa lahat, bukod po sa financial freedom, lahat po tayo, karamihan sa atin, na magiging part ng Sante International, magkakaroon ng tinatawag na time freedom. Meaning, earning money and spending it with your family. Aanunin po natin ang kumikita ng magandang income, ng malaking income kung wala naman tayong oras para sa pamilya natin. At yun po ang commitment namin sa Sante International. And as we end this presentation, I hope that you start your business now and start it right. Sante International is your vehicle towards achieving your dreams and vision. Tayo po rito ay sama-sama upang ma-achieve natin ang lahat ng mga bagay na minimithi natin sa ating buhay. Katulong niyo po kami at kami po ay magiging instrumento para matupad ang pangarap ng napakaraming Pilipino. Maraming salamat po. Ito po si Joey Marcelo and welcome to Sante International.
possibilities and helping people maximize their potential and experience a complete life transformation. To empower them to achieve their dreams and to experience financial freedom. We believe we can fly, we can be on top, we can reach the sky, for we can achieve what our mind can conceive. Aim high, it's time to fulfill our dreams. Move on, keep on going on. This is our time to shine on. No walls, no limits, no boundaries.